What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Part of the noise today, but the wind noise. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to jump your car that is not reacting to any power. So this is a 228. This is a 235. Same electronics. And what happens is you put power to the car. Let me show you here. I got a jump pack. It is always on. I put power to it, and nothing happens. It sparked there. It made a little bit of a noise, but if I take the key, try to unlock it, do anything, it doesn't work. And if I come in the interior here, usually when you have a dead car, you can press this button here and you'll get the mileage to pop up. But as you can see, this car is not reacting to power. It did spark when I put it on there. That's what they do. So I'm going to show you guys how to get power to this and at least get it to so you can get to the trunk, because the battery and everything's in the trunk. You can't unlock the trunk without the battery being on, because these are all electric. So if you can't open the trunk because you're putting power to it, the car is not unlocking, and then your seats are up, because if your seats were down, you can crawl in there, pull the emergency latch. These seats are up. I don't want to damage them. You can do the wire trick, but let me show you guys a quicker, easier way to do this. All right, so you want to come in here. We have our positive jump point here. It does nothing though, and this jump pack does have power. So what you want to do is look for there's these 4 connectors here, powers, and you want to find this one over here, this one with the black cable here. I'm not sure what it does, but if you pull up on this red tab and then you pull down the black tab, this piece comes up and it exposes, so if I show you guys, it exposes that pin there. Next, what you want to do, and do this at your own risk, I'm just showing you guys a little trick. I was gonna say don't try this at home, but you're doing this at home, so just do this at your own risk. I don't know if this has any positives or negatives. I just know that this gets the car powered and unlocked. So you're gonna take your screwdriver, put your jump pack on the screwdriver, and then once you have your jump pack on your screwdriver, you want to go ahead and stick it on the positive terminal there, and that puts power to the car. And now I should be able to unlock the trunk. Let me put this down and unlock the trunk. Actually, it's sitting there, so I got it resting. I'm good. So I'll go to the back, grab the key, and look at that, perfectly unlocked. So like I said, let me show you guys one more time. We got power in here too, and it's kind of waking up. So like I said, I don't know what this does. I don't know. I can't get very technical. I just know this works for me. You unplug that black cable, you put your jumpers on a piece of metal. Be careful, because if you touch the metal anywhere else while it's grounded, it will spark. You put it on there and you're good to go. So that's how you get into your E or F series that is not wanting to start or show any signs of life, even though you put a jump pack on it. That being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.